All right, Claire, what kind of car is this?
2016 GMC Acadia.
Oh, nice. It's a white one?
Yes.
Whoa.
Wow. I'm ready.
You can get in there if you need to.
Yes.
Is this a good one? You like
Yes.
how it starts up?
Yes.
Did you want to hear the blinker?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want to step inside?
No.
Do you want to turn on the blinker?
Here, the blinkers. If you reach your hand out, the blinker's right here.
Oh, wait. Oh my goodness. That's a fast one.
Is it fast? Oh, I like the sound of it though.
That's a nice one.
It is a nice one. It has a nice little echoey sound.
Does the right side sound the same?
It should be just a slightly different. Not the sound is the same, but it'll sound like it's coming from the other side a little bit.
Okay.
On some of them. Are you gonna look at it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when are you gonna do the car? She knows how to drive, huh? Already? She sure does. You gonna do the other side, Claire? All right. You mind going to the right? Just like that.
Command, please.
Right blinker.
Wait for the beep to speak.
Whoa!
It talked.
0.
I didn't know how to make it do that. How did you make it talk, Winter?
Pardon? Pardon?
Do you need to close it so you can drive better?
Goodbye.
All right.
Double blinker.
You want the hazards on now?
Yes, Dad.
Okay.
Oh, where's the hazards button? Oh, it's right in the middle. Winter, can you press the
Command,
button with the red
please.
triangle? Winter's gonna press the button.
Winter.
With the red triangle, Winter. Where's the red triangle?
You can say phone, radio, my media, text messaging, navigation, weather, or OnStar.
What?
To call a number quicker, say call followed by the number like this.
That's
Call
the hazards.
555-1212.
Alrighty, Claire, are we ready to wrap it up? The video?
Say commands like tune to FM 101.1.
All right, you gonna say goodbye to everybody?
Play artist followed by the name of